Today I want to share a soy sauce fried noodle dish. It really has no technical difficulty. The ingredients are very simple, and once you start frying, the whole kitchen smells amazing. Many people think stir-fried noodles are troublesome, but actually, as long as you pay attention to a few small details, beginners don't need to worry at all. First, let's talk about the ingredients. You need chili, green onions, and half an onion. The green onions should be prepared separately. Chop the white part finely, and cut the green part into pieces about 5 centimeters long. Don't cook them together, because they need different heat. Cut the onion into strips, as evenly as possible, so it cooks evenly and doesn't burn on one side while staying raw on the other. Next is cooking the noodles. This step is where many people make mistakes by overcooking them. The rule is simple: it's better to undercook than overcook. When the water is boiling, add the noodles. If you're not sure about the time, cook them for 2 minutes first. The noodles should be slightly firmer than the texture you usually like, because they will soften more when stir-fried later. This way, they won't turn mushy. Now comes the most important part, the step that makes the noodles really fragrant. Frying the green onion whites and chili. Add a little more oil to the pan, put in the chopped green onion whites, and keep stirring. Fry slowly until they turn lightly golden and release their aroma. Then turn up the heat and add the cooked noodles. Stir quickly so every noodle is coated with oil and the green onion flavor. Pour the sauce along the side of the pan. This helps the soy sauce taste smoother and more balanced. Keep stir-frying until the noodles are evenly colored. At this point, you're already more than halfway to success. For the final step, add the fried onion back into the pan, then add the green onion pieces and chili. Stir-fry quickly over high heat, mixing everything well, then turn off the heat and serve. This step should be fast, just to combine the flavors, not to cook the ingredients again. The soy sauce fried noodles made this way look great, smell rich, and taste full of flavor. The noodles are chewy and very satisfying. The best part is that the whole process takes only about 10 minutes. No complicated seasoning and no special skills are needed, making it perfect for everyday home cooking. Whether as a main meal or a late-night snack, it's always a great choice.